Hello, this is a tease for video I'm going to make here in the next couple days. I did finally get my new microphone, a Shure SM7B, which is working very well. I can even get really close and have it sound real deep. I haven't really tweaked it in or anything yet, so this is just basically just a quick test and a tease. Also, just for fun, I'm doing this on Zoom and going to upload it to YouTube. Anyway, over the weekend, I'm going to be starting YouTube channel for serious now. So we got to start doing at least a couple videos a week, or at least my mission is to do that. So anyway, long story short, quick tease, new mics in place, got the lighting and the camera all squared away. So looking pretty good. And I think sounding pretty good. Got a little bit of work to do to tune it in. But anyway, like I said, it's mostly a tease just to kind of to get you ready and tease for a new big announcement coming with the channel coming up and everything like that. So anyway, thanks for your attention, and I'll get the rest of it up this weekend when I have a little bit of a chance to do a proper edit and things like that. But I thought it'd be kind of fun just to do this in Zoom just for funsies and see what would happen if it uploaded it to YouTube. Plus, my students were saying, "It sounds so smooth now. You sound like you're chocolate or something." I'm like, no. It's going to take a lot more than that to make me sound like chocolate. But this microphone does sound a lot better than my old Yeti. So I'm very happy. Anyway, we'll see you later. And I'll get some videos up for you here in the next couple of days. Bye-bye.